Welcome. This video I'll show you how to set conditional split in automation here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, open up the automation section. Now what we'll do here is just go ahead and create a workflow. Okay, just start fresh, create from scratch right here. Wait for it to load. Now let's go ahead and define the trigger. Okay, just maybe we're going to go ahead and select click message, right? So we're going to go ahead and add in SMS maybe. Now let's go ahead and add in the split. Okay, maybe you would like to add it right here at the top. So yes or no. Now add in a rule, maybe a trigger filters right here, maybe via message ID is Ryan, just for example. Okay, hit on save. So if the message ID is Ryan, if contacts matching the rules will split off into yes, and others that is not Ryan will go to no. So your no condition would be what? Could be email, okay? So if Ryan right here clicked the message, okay, what will happen? Ryan right here will what? Receive a text, okay? If Ryan or other person, maybe George, clicked on the message right here, they will be landed to no. So what George will then receive is an email. All right, that's basically it. That is how you add conditional split in automation here in Omnisend. Just go ahead and do whatever you want right here. This is just basically a yes or no condition, okay? Or even in the flow chart, this will be a yes or no condition as well. So just go ahead and do whatever you want in here. But that's just basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.